Imagined in America, designed at Kia's design studio in California, and assembled in Georgia, the Kia Telluride provides drivers with a bold new way to chase adventure. As the largest Kia vehicle ever produced, the Telluride has spacious seating for up to 8 passengers featuring one-touch folding second-row seats and available second-row reclining captain's chairs. A standard 291 horsepower 3.8-liter Lambda DOHC 24-valve V6 and standard all-wheel drive (AWD) with a locking center differential provide you with enough muscle to tread where other SUVs fear to travel. Already one of the most popular models in the Kia lineup, the Telluride returns for 2022 with a collection of attractive updates and changes. On the exterior, shoppers will notice the adoption of the new Kia logo on both the front and rear of the Telluride along with the new blacked-out front grille design. Inside the cabin, all Telluride models gain navigation-based smart cruise control curve. Finally, LX and S trim levels now come standard with a 10.3-inch touchscreen, automatic climate control, and semi-autonomous highway driving assist to help bolster its already impressive value. Explore in complete luxury thanks to the premium interior of the Telluride. Premium materials, attention to detail, and an array of convenient features surround all occupants. An available 10.25-inch color touchscreen with rear-view monitor and parking guidance allows you to park with complete confidence. Standard Kia DriveWise safety technologies add even more peace of mind by keeping you prepared for the unexpected. The exceptionally bold styling of the Kia Telluride helps you stand out in a sea of ordinary midsize SUVs. Equipped with a standard Atkinson cycle Lambda 2 3.8 liters V6 GDI engine producing 291 horsepower, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and available active on-demand all-wheel drive, no obstacle stands in the way of a Kia Telluride. Thanks to an optional self-leveling rear suspension, the ride height is automatically calibrated depending on vehicle load to optimize control and stability. It also helps you make full use of the Telluride's 5,000-pound towing capacity. You'll have your choice of 4 drive modes: Smart, Eco, Sport and Comfort, each using different settings for powertrain, drivetrain, and steering effort mapping to suit your preferences. Big, bold, and boxy, the kind of presence associated with the original legendary SUVs were key priorities designers emphasized when designing the Telluride from the first pencil stroke. This go-anywhere, do-anything attitude also features sophisticated exterior accents for a distinguished look. Signature design cues of the Kia Telluride include a broad hood, sculpted rear skid plate with integrated twin exhaust tips, inverted L-tail lamps with LED stripes, and a clean side profile. Advanced technology is infused into every aspect of the Kia Telluride to help you stay connected, safe, and in control of your drive. A total of 5 USB ports are included as standard along with available multi-Bluetooth wireless connectivity which allows 2 phones to connect simultaneously. A quick glance at the optional 10.25-inch color touchscreen with rear-view monitor gives you access to parking guidance. Hear your music with unparalleled clarity with an available 10-speaker Harman/Kardon audio system, AM/FM/Sirius XM8, with Quantum Logic surround sound and Clarify. As Kia's flagship SUV, the Telluride can be outfitted with an array of advanced technology and driver assistance systems. Examples of these groundbreaking innovations include blind spot collision avoidance assist rear, BCAR, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, RCCA, highway driving assist, HDA, a head-up display, HUD, and driver talk. Using available quiet mode, the second and third row audio output is cut so the audio choices of the front occupants are only heard in their own. The impression of upscale exploration continues inside the cabin of the Telluride.